Surah Al-Anam 6, 161, 162 and 163. قُلْ إِنَّنِي هَدَانِي رَبِّي إِلَى صِرَاطٍ مُسْتَقِيمٍ دِينًا قِيَمًا مِلَّةَ إِبْرَاهِيمَ حَنِيفًا وَمَا كَانَ مِنَ الْمُشْرِكِينَ. Say, surely my Lord has guided me to a straight path, a judgment established, the millat, the religion of Ibrahim, true Ibrahim. He was not from the polytheist or associate. Meaning, Allah says, command us to say to the people that my Lord, Rabb, Allah has guided me to a straight path. In 5 times in Salah, we say, Ihdina Sirat al-Mustaqim, guide us onto the straight path. 5 times Surah Fatiha, 5 verse, 5th ayah, we say, Ihdina Sirat al-Mustaqim, Ihdina Sirat al-Mustaqim. And now here Allah says, Qul innani hadani Rabbi ila siratim mustaqim Dinan qiyaman millata Ibrahim hanifa wa ma kana minal mushrikeen. Meaning, say, Allah has guided me. Say, Allah has guided me to a straight path. To a straight path. The judgment of the millat Ibrahim, the true Ibrahim. He was not from the associates. Ask Allah. Ask Allah. Then He will give you answer. Qul innani hadani Rabbi ila siratim mustaqim Dinan qiyamam millata Ibrahim hanifa wa ma kana minal mushrikeen. Say, surely my Lord has guided me to a straight path, a judgment established millat, religion of your father Ibrahim. He was not from the associates. How many people know this? That how you get guidance from Allah. This is how you become a Muslim. Further he says, قُلْ إِنَّ صَلَاتِي وَنُسُكِي وَمَحْيَايَ وَمَمَاتِي لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. Say, my salat, my namaz, my prayer, my solitude, my life, my death is for Allah, the Lord of the worlds. قُلْ إِنَّ صَلَاتِي وَنُسُكِي وَمَحْيَايَ وَمَمَاتِي لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. Say, my prayer, my salah, my solitude, my life, my death is for Allah, the Lord, the cherisher of all worlds, Lord of the believers and non-believers. So you have to give your life for Allah. Say, قُلْ إِنَّ صَلَاتِي وَنُسُكِي وَمَحْيَايَ وَمَمَاتِي لِلَّهِ رَبِّ الْعَالَمِينَ. Say, surely my prayer, my solitude, my life, my death is for Allah, the Lord of the worlds. La sharika lah wa bidhalika umirtu wa ana awwalul muslimin. And there is no associate with Him. And I am commanded to be one of the first of the Muslims. I am commanded to be of the one first of the Muslims. There is no associate with Allah. I am commanded to be first of the Muslims. You have to ask Allah, Ihdina Sirat al-Mustaqim. And if you find the spirit in you, the God, Allah Almighty, is commanding you to be the first of the Muslims in your community. Where do you live? You have to take a stand. Not that you are born in a Muslim society, you are a Muslim. It has to come from Allah. The Muslim, you have to become in front from Allah. He commands you. Every person who believes in the ayats, that is how He commands. La sharika lah, there is no associate with Him. And I am commanded that I am from the first of the Muslims. This is what happened in history. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and all ancient time, the sunnah and the practice of all the prophets is that we have to ask Allah to make us Muslims.